Yeah! So, a lot has happened in almost a month now. It's been almost a month, about 3 weeks to a month, since I posted my last video. My apologies for that. Real quick though, it is a fantastic day out right now. Currently, I'm at my dad's house, and I'm going to be at my mom's house tonight, so I will give you an update on what Mitzi has been up to because, yeah, she's been just crazy. Knocking over stuff, knocking over her water and her food, and yeah, it's just, but she's been hanging, and everybody's been doing pretty well. It has been, a hectic 3 weeks or so with school. That's why I'm having trouble posting, just balancing a lot of things between, work, school, music, my other commitments. It's just a lot. Here is Torta right now. She's camera shy. She usually always cries right when I come up to her, but she's camera shy right now. So she is not responding. Alright, well, she's pretty tired out, as are most cats during this time of day. But yeah, it is a really, really nice day out right now. There's one cloud right in front of the sun. Basically, that is all. The pool, oh yeah. The pool's all covered up. I think it was the last time I filmed. Was it? I forget. Anyway, whatever the case may be. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't turn green the next time we open it up. That would suck. But yeah, guys, the pandemic is still going on. And, well, cases are going up again. So you have to be sure, okay? You got to be really, really sure that, you're masking up in some of these places. Avoid crowds. Just got really dark in here. It's that one cloud over the sun again. But anyway, you got to be really sure that you're masking up and staying safe, using protection at all costs because of the rising cases this fall and into the wintertime especially. So yeah, we gotta really take good care of everyone and keep everybody safe. And yeah, it is fall. My birthday, yeah, that came and went. That was around 3 weeks ago. Um, Crap, that was 3 weeks ago. My 22nd birthday. Yeah, guys. Yeah, happy birthday to me. I'm 22 now. And anyway, yeah, leaves falling. It is fall. A lot of people's favorite time of year. This is one of my favorite time of the year, and well, like spring, because that gets into severe weather season. Yeah, I know. I haven't done a weather video. It's been so long. It seems like, right? Well, what is it? November. It's probably been at least over 2 months now, and that really sucks. But want to try to get in the studio more and have been doing that every week in order to get my EP out. So, and obviously finish this album, been going in the studio a lot more. And yeah, it's just been a grind, been trying to go every week. So, that's cool. And listen, I'm doing my best to exercise, keeping at that healthy weight, and looking back on a year ago today in some of my memories, actually, it's like I'm like crap. I'm 50 pounds plus less right now than I was then. So I don't want to lose too much weight. Trying not to lose really any more, because any more then it'll start to be too much the other way. So trying to trying to find a healthy balance right now. It's tough. And with the pandemic, you'd think it'd be the opposite, gaining weight, but I made it the job to go the complete opposite way. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Since it's a really nice day out, maybe I'll try to go exercise, do a little bit of exercise out there. Also going to be trying to exercise tomorrow as well. And, well, an update. Where am I going? Where am I going? Wait. Oh yeah, here we go. Where's my Eagles banner? An update on those Eagles, right? So, see, I have that 2004 NFC. Well, here we go. Here we go. Our Eagles, right? They play tomorrow. They're trying to get back to 500, I guess. 4-4-1 they would be if they win tomorrow against the lowly Giants. Please, please win. Why is this camera always out of focus? Please win. Of course, we've been ravaged by injuries past couple of years, so. but still, we've been able to achieve a lot. And man, I just want a dynasty. Let's just go, man. Come on. Let's just start. Just rattle off some wins this year. Just towards the end of the year. It's a tough schedule, so yeah, they're gonna have to do a lot. As for the Phillies, they haven't been doing anything, so I don't know what's going on there, but hopefully they start doing stuff. But so right about now, before I do any exercising and go out for the day, I am going to be filming an Instagram video. So again, my Instagram is at MattDeAngelisMusic, and I will show that at the end of this clip. I know I'm doing a lot of talking, just trying to catch you guys up on what's been going on at my dad's right now. Again, I will be at my mom's tonight, give you an update on Mitzi and what's been going on over there. But yeah, there's a pumpkin. And yeah, so I'm going to show you how I film my Instagram videos. So, going upstairs right about now, opening the door. I'll see you soon, Tor. Here we go. Go upstairs. Show you guys how I film. So what I usually do is I film on my iPad. So I film on my iPad there. You can see me. Hi. I'm still blurry. Of course I'm still blurry. But yeah, I usually try to set it up either here on the speaker, the EV. EVs are great, by the way. And then I'll be sitting right here, basically. And then filming myself. There I am. Cool, right? So, I'm going to show you how I do that and how many takes it takes me. I'm going to try to get it down to only 5 takes. I'm going to be doing Elton John, Take Me to the Pilot for a cover, just a 1-minute little cover. The other times I have on this keyboard, the master keyboard over here. I just love all these keyboards. And I would set the camera up right here. Look familiar if you follow my Instagram? That's a lot of times how I set things up. So, yeah. Here we go. Here goes nothing. Let's see how many takes it takes me to film this video.
I'm on trial and I'm ahead again. And your man, I take me to the part of control. And I'm ahead with y'all.
Well, as you can see, it's been about 20 minutes since I started trying to record this 1-minute clip for Instagram, and I still have nothing. So, yeah, I'm a perfectionist. This is like what it's like behind the scenes. So, even for just something supposed to be simple, you know, I can't make it simple. So, it's just how it is. It's perfectionism, man.
If y'all feel that it's real, I'm on trial and I'm in heaven, y'all prison. Like a calm in your man, I am dainty and I'm spinning without treason. Through a glass eye, your throne is the one danger zone. Take me to the pilot for control. Take me to the pilot of your soul. Take me to the pilot, feed me through the chamber. Take me to the pilot, I am but a stranger. Take me to the pilot, feed me through the chamber. Take me to the pilot, I na na na, na na na, na na na, na 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 na.
Well, it took me approximately 40 minutes to record one thing on Instagram. So if a 1 minute clip, literally, it took me 40 minutes, but I'm a perfectionist. I just want to be the best I can be. So, hey, I got to take the time. You got to take the time. If you really want to just put out the best thing you can, you got to take some time, even if it's just a minute. Just posting, just posting something on Instagram. You gotta take the time to be the best you can be. Too much competition out in the world. But anyway, yeah. So I'm gonna go write some more of my songs as I usually do. I'm always writing. I have a ton of songs as usual. You can check my post out at Matt DeAngelis Music on Instagram. All right, y'all. So I'm currently on my way to my mom's right now. I'm at a stoplight, not filming and driving at the same time. And I am going to show you how Mitzi is, how Mitzi has been doing. You'll get to see her for the first time in a while. So Mitzi, enter her. Mitzi. 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 How you doing, sweetheart? Beep, 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 beep. Hi, baby. The food and water aren't knocked over, so that is already a good sign. Mitz. Good girl. Good girl. And she has her cat condo. She uses that frequently. Good girl, Mitz. Good girl. Yep, there's her cat condo. Good girl. Good girl. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notifications to get notified every time I upload. And as always, be sure to follow my Instagram at Matt DeAngelis Music. And I will catch you guys on the flip side.